because finally I got into my dream university, and I can't wait to share the news with you all that which university I choose and which faculty I have gotten, and I'm super duper excited for it. So this video is gonna be my favorite, and inshallah it's your favorite too, because in this video I'm gonna tell you all the university things. So this is the admission form of my university. All the things are done, all the stuff are done regarding the process of admission, but the only thing left is this form. I have to fill this form and submit in my university, and that's all. And all the stuff regarding university are done, but only this thing is left, and I have to fill this, and I have to give to the university because they can write my name. So I'm so excited, and for the very long time I wanna share this news with you all, but it's delayed, and now I'm finally here to share the news with you all that which faculty I've choose is this university, and what type of university it is, private or government. And so the uni so now I will tell you the faculty I choose is software engineering. As somebody know this field and some do not know about this field. This field is too good. Means I belong to a pre-medical background. Means I have taken the pre-med program in my matric and inter. But one day I thought that why not I should give the test of software engineering, because from the starting I was always into computers related stuff, and I like to do, means I fond of using computers, solving its problem. So my parents and plus me thought that why should I give test of this. So I have give the test. I have prepared for it from ECAT, and I have prepared from the YouTube basically. So I've never joined any academy, and it helped very much. YouTube is the best academy, as you all know. So with it, I have joined it, and I have accepted into my university with the program I wanted from the starting. Not from the starting, means I have two options, that I will begin into the any pre-med program, or I will choose any computer related field, that is software engineering. So it's from the starting, but I thought that instead of giving MCAT exam, the trauma that after it, if you do not get into that MBBS or BS, so why not should I get into this? And as you all know that in the future years, the IT department is everywhere. Means every student wanna take admission IT department like software engineering, cyber security, data science technology, artificial intelligence, robotics. Means there are many fields you can take, and if you wanna know the other fields I can tell you, but tell me in comment section and I will make a video another. So yeah, I have taken admission software engineering, and as we talk about scope, it's good. It has vast variety of scope in the upcoming years and in present, and that's why I've searched in Google, and I have searched, I mean, it's a good field for girls and boys both. As girls can jobs in from the home, remote works, on-site jobs, and office job, all are available in this field, and it is a field that can be means it's a very good field. Means everyone can up to it and into it. So I love this field basically, and so I do admission and I get accepted, and the day I get accepted, I was too proud of myself because I also get 100% scholarship, because that university offers if you give the test good, and it depends on your merit, that inter percentage plus metric, and but it's 50% depend upon the test. So my test went too good, too excellent, and they have given me 100% scholarship. So I'm too proud of myself, and my parents are also proud of myself, and I think I have chosen a good option in spite of giving MCAT exam. So I'm not ashamed that I have not given MCAT exam as a pre-medical background. It should not be, you should not think that if you belong to a pre-medical background, you in future you should choose the related fields. You can choose computer related fields, because I think in future years computer everywhere. It means everything is done on the computer, every and so yeah, bye bye.